Namaste everyone. In this quick tutorial, we will see how to install Visual Studio Code on our Windows PC. Similar steps should be applicable for your macOS or Linux systems. Alright, let's get started. Just search Visual Studio Code on your Google in any browser. Click on the link. This will direct you to the homepage for the website of Visual Studio Code. Simply click on download and this will download the installer for Visual Studio Code like so. Okay, it's done. Let's click on it and the installer has begun. Just select accept and next, next. Yeah, this is very important. This is also very important. Just make sure this is selected as is. If you want an icon on the desktop, go for this. Otherwise, you can ignore. All right, now just sit back and relax. Your installation is complete. We can now launch Visual Studio Code. Perfect. Let's choose a theme. I like this theme. You can go with any of the high contrast or low contrast theme. I like this one for myself. Yep. You can now download the extensions for your preferred languages. I will especially download one for Python. Yeah. Awesome. All right. So your Visual Studio Code is downloaded. In the next video, we will see how to set it up for Python development for your machine learning AI tasks or just simple Python web development. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.
Okay. Thank you.